Friends, welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in Achievers MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management. And today's topic is objective questions on bank assurance. Okay, so let's start. Before starting, I would suggest download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you'll be getting all the premium study materials plus live classes plus ebooks plus tests. So, what all do you need for clearing JAIIB more? That much is enough. Classes, tests, online books. Okay. Also, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting two things. Number one, all the latest updates on JAIIB and CIB, and number two, you will be getting the late YouTube series or means free YouTube series on various subjects of JAIIB and CIB. Presently, what are you watching? The same one. Okay, so subscribe to this channel Officers Adda 24/7 and click on the bell icon. Okay, these are the two new batches just now started. February 28th just started, not many days have passed, so join it ASAP. Target batch, okay, English. Also bilingual batch is coming up, so you can join any of these. 80% off is going on, double validity on Mahapacks. We are covering all the numericals, objective questions, case studies for all the subjects of JAIIB. Okay, more on this, how to use the discount code. Say this, use the code Y432 as a discount code. I'll tell you at the end. Okay, so let's start. Bank assurance means, okay, now understand one important part. Bank assurance, the word over here is you can break this word into two parts. Okay, and that is bank, and second is assurance. Okay, that's the way it is done. Okay, assurance. So that's the way it is done. Bank assurance means what? Okay, so what is the option? What are the options over here? A, the selling of life insurance and other insurance products and services by banking institutions. B, selling of life insurance and other insurance products and services by NBFCs. Selling of only life insurance products and services by banking institutions. Selling of only general assurance products and services by banking institutions. So what is the option over here? Is it here? Option over here, NBFC is out, right? Because we are talking of bank assurance, so definitely bank. So only the option can be either A or CD. Which one? So here, only life or only general. So it's not that. It's always, who can tell me? Yeah, type that. See here, common simple answer, isn't it? What do you think should be the answer? A or only life or only general or both? See here, the correct answer is A, the selling of life assurance and other insurance. So life insurance means life insurance policies as well as other general insurance. Both are sold in bank assurance. Basically, what do? We cross-sell our products. Cross-sell means what? See this, cross-sell is very important over here. To our existing customers, we sell these insurance products. Those who are our saving current account holders or loan account holders, anyone. The one who needs insurance will be sold through the bank. Now, what is the advantage? The advantage is bank gets commissions. Okay, commission, good commission. Okay, roughly it is 20 to 28% roughly. Okay, so huge commission bank gets, number one. And what is the advantage to that insurance company? The advantage is it gets ready-made customers, isn't it? Anyway, it has to pay the commission to the agents. So rather than paying it to the agent, they'll pay it to the bank, isn't it? So it is a win-win situation for both the bank and the insurance company. Okay, move on. Got it? Everyone type yes if you have understood it. Nomination in insurance can be made only in favor of. So nomination in insurance can be made only in favor of what? Parents, spouse and children, spouse, any individual. So whom can I make the nominee? Suppose if I am holding this insurance policy, can I make the nomination in favor of my parents only? Or spouse means wife. See here, if husband is having the insurance policy, then the spouse is wife. If wife is having the insurance policy, then spouse is husband. Okay, so children, spouse and spouse only, or any individual. I can make it to anyone. What is the rule? What do you say? Only Spouse and children? Yeah, some of you are typing B. Spouse and children. No, it's nothing like that. I can make a nominee to any individual. Okay, any individual. Why? Because after all, it's my policy. Similarly, in saving also, in our bank also, if you are having some savings account, that person can make the nomination to anyone. Okay. So it's not compulsory at all that the nominee should be some family member or anyone. I can make some nominee to any trust. Why not? I can make it to trust. I can make it to some private limited company. Because after all, that's also an individual, artificial individual. Okay. So remember, the nomination is not compulsory, means nominee to be made is not compulsory for a family member or blood relationship only. A person who seeks protection against a risk and to whom the insurance policy is issued is known as, means basically we are talking of whom? Whenever you give the insurance policy to your customer, we in general local language we say it customer. But is customer the real word? Means the one who is getting the insurance policy, the one who is getting insured, is called as what? Insurer. B is customer. C is insured. And D is creditor. What is the correct option over here? Here, logic is simple. Customer is not the right word. Either insurer or insured. Either of these two, A or C. So what should be the correct answer? Insurer means what? Insurer means that company, insurance company. Insurer is always the insurance company. Okay, got it? So insured is always the one who has got the insurance. Okay, so insured is that person. Okay, so that person is called as insured. Remember, got it? IRDAI stands for. Now, what is this IRDAI basically? Why have we taken this question over here? IRDAI is basically for insurance. It's a governing body for all the insurances, for general as well as life, both. Okay. So what does it stand for? Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Option A. Option B, Industrial Development and Development Authority. Number C, Insurance Restructuring and Development Authority. D, Insurance Refinancing and Development Authority of India. Of course, all of them have of India. Okay. So what is the correct option over here? Insurance, industrial, insurance restructuring or insurance refinancing. Here, either it can be A, C or D. Industry is out. Okay. Either restructuring or refinancing or regulatory. So what is the option? The correct option is IRDAI stands for Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. This is the supreme body for insurance in India. This body governs here. Understand the meaning. Regulatory, it gives the regulations, the rules and regulations. And second is development. So it also works for the development of insurance. It focuses on how the insurance should grow in India. What is the percentage of insurance in India today? Percentage of insurance. How many of you how many of the Indian public have got insured? Earlier it was very low, 7 to 8%. Now it has increased. Okay, because of that Pradhan Mantri Yojanas. Okay, two Jandan insurance schemes we had, that Atal pension and the other one, isn't it? So there was one general insurance, there was one life insurance, right? 312 and at 12 rupees, that same one. Yeah. So because of that, the insurance numbers have increased. Okay. So now, so the full form is Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Select the expanded form of SA as commonly used in life insurance. What is this SA used for? SA, Sum Assured, Surrender of Assurance, Supplementary Assurance and Stamp Act. What is this SA used for in insurance? Yeah, it is surrender of assurance. No, that is separate. Surrender value is different. Okay, SA means sum assured. Sum assured means what? Here, always remember there is something called as sum assured in this, in every policy. What is sum assured? If something happens to that insured, okay, look at this. This is the person. Let's say insured. I'll call it insured. Okay. And there is an insurance policy of this person. if something happens to this person, this insurance company, insurer, will give this sum assured to this insured's nominee. Nominee, okay? Nominee means those who are the nominees over here, okay? So, this insurer, remember these words, insurer. If in the event of happening anything, this insurer will give the money to these nominees. Always remember this, okay? So, it is sum assured. Suppose when I say, I have taken a policy of 10 lakhs. So what does it mean? 10 lakhs is the amount which is covered. If something happens to me, then this nominee will get 10 lakhs. This is called as sum assured. Okay. Remember, there is a separate word called as surrender value. We'll check that later. Okay. Before going ahead, see this. The two batches which I was talking of here, you can join this English batch also. 80% off is going on, double validity on Mahapacks is going on. Use the code Y432. We are covering all the objectives, numericals, case studies, whatever is required for the subjects. Okay. So 80% off. Use the code Y432. Never forget this code. Okay. I'll tell you at the end how to use this code live. I'll show you. Okay. Okay. Hull insurance is related in case of, what is this hull insurance? Now see here, you will say, what is this hull insurance? We don't know anything. But such insurance policies can be issued by a bank also. Means acting as an agent, definitely. Okay. So hull insurance is used in building, life, machine or ship. What is this hull basically? Anyone knows? Hull means whenever the ship is standing on the port. Okay. Whenever this is a port, let's say. And this is water, right? I am very bad at drawing, but this is the ship. So this ship, whenever it's standing over here, there is a hull anchor over here, okay? And whenever it is anchored, if something happens to that to this ship here somewhere, okay? So that insurance is known as hull insurance. So it is issued in case of what? Building, life, machine and ship. So it is definitely for ship. Mainly this is used for trade finance. Whenever you will go for CIIB, you will understand more on this trade finance. Okay, trade finance is a big topic in CIIB and BFM. Okay, very big topic. So you will have to understand these topics over at that time. In case of life insurance, HLV means, what is this HLV? Anyone knows? Home legal value, human life value, human legal value, house length value. So what is this HLV? Anyone? Anyone knows? Yeah. Home or human? Home or human? That's the only point. It's human. Correct. The full form is, see this. HLV or ideal life cover is a number that tells the present value of the future income, expenses, liabilities and investments of that individual. So it is for human being. Human life value. Okay, this is the right answer. Human life means here, how to calculate this HLV? See here, it's very simple. It is a number that tells the present value of future income, expenses. Means, suppose if today my salary is, let's say, 50,000. So, and my age is, let's say, 30 years. So after 30 years, up to the age of, let's say, 60. Okay, 58 to 60. So for 30 years I will be earning some salary. They'll calculate it at 10% rise per year. And then they'll find the present value of all this. What is present value? You have seen it in accounts, right? Present value, future value, the same logic. Okay. So all the present value of the income as well as expenses, liabilities and investments. So that is whatever that amount comes. That amount will be calculated as a human life value, and for that human life value is very important over here from insurance point of view. The sum assured is always decided on human life value. Remember, sum assured, I'll write it over here. Okay, sum assured, just now we saw what is sum assured, right? Sum assured is decided on HLV, basis of HLV, okay, human life value. Whatever is my human life value, that much should be the sum assured, okay. Which product offered by insurance companies that, unlike the pure insurance policy, gives investors both insurance and investment under the single investment plan? What is this? Insurance and investment means what? Sure, it's simple. whenever any person invests or does some put some money somewhere, there are two goals. One is insurance, means some assurance. It's insurance is not right word. Assurance for the future. Okay. So we'll write it insurance because we generally call this as insurance only. Okay. So insurance, and second we always invest it for returns, investments. Okay. Investment, or I'll call it returns also. Returns. You also, whenever you invest, you check it now what are the returns you will be getting and what is the surety of that. So if these two are combined, then what happens? Because in insurance we generally don't get huge returns in normal policies of endowment. Okay. So if I combine these two, where will these plans be? Okay. Money back plan, endowment plan, term insurance plans, and unit linked insurance plans. So both returns and insurance will be in case of huge, means good amount, not huge means good amount. It is in case of, correct, ULIP, unit linked insurance plan. This is what we are selling nowadays, isn't it? ULIP means these give you returns. Why they give you returns? Because the amount is invested in stock market. Okay, stock market. That's why you get huge returns. And always remember, stock market you will say, sir, it's risky, but you have that control of investing in what percentage of your this EMI or this this premium should go into the stock markets. If I say, tell this insurance company that 60% in stocks, okay, and 40% in bonds or debt, okay, then that company has to invest in that proportion only. So it's in the hands of that customer. How much should he or she invest in stocks? If I tell them 80, then 80. If I tell them 100% in bonds, they'll have to invest 100% in bonds. In that case, if I invest completely in debt funds, then my returns will be lower. So this ELSS ULIP scheme will always give you both the things. Insurance also, sum assured. Under insurance, what do we get? We get sum assured. Sum assured. Okay. This is always the main part of this insurance. Okay. Insurance means sum assured, and returns means investment means returns. Got it? Clear? Type yes in the comment section, everyone. Everyone type yes if you have understood up till now. Okay. Move on. Chalo. So I'll just tell you how to use this code Y432 always, everyone. Okay. How to use this code? See this. Go to Adda 24/7 live. Okay. Let me go live over here. Okay. Hold on. Say this. If you are having the app, go on the app. I would suggest. In the app, you will be getting 1% extra. Okay. Because of that coin system. So go to Adda 24/7, click on JAIIB and CIB. You'll see this JAIIB, CIB Mahapack, CIB 23, JAIIB 23. Click on JAIIB 23. Once you click on JAIIB 23, you'll see the batches. Okay. Click on this English batch. See the fees. Fees is 19,999. Also, you'll get the details, means what are the dates, timings, what are the study materials, study plans available, everything. Importantly, remember, recorded videos are available 24/7, so that if you miss out on any class, you can definitely get it back. Okay. Also, two-way interactive classes, so if you can ask the questions there and then itself. Okay. Then look at the fees part. 19,999. Click on view offers. Never forget to click on view offers. Okay. Put the code Y432, okay, 432. Click on apply. See this. 19,999 will become 3,999.80. 80% off you are getting. Such a huge discount you are getting. Go for it immediately because such offers don't last long. Okay. Then I would suggest go for the Mahapack. In Mahapack, I was telling you it was 15 plus batches for a single subject. Each subject you are having 15 plus batches. Just go on Adda 24/7 again, main page, click on JAIIB and CIB. See this, you'll see this. JAIIB ka Mahapack, JAIIB CIB ka Mahapack. I would suggest go for JAIIB CIB Mahapack. Why? Because if you see here, you'll be clearing, you join the batches, study hard, you'll be clearing it, let's say in May 23. So remaining this is for validity. Look at this offer validity. It's 24 months. So remaining 1.5 year you are getting it for CIIB in the same fees. So join it ASAP. Okay. Now let me show you how to get this. Again the discount part I'll show you. You'll get the details over here. When you go there you'll see this details. See this 15 plus batches for PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking. Similarly 15 plus batches for CIIB subjects. Okay. All these case study batches are there, ebooks are there, everything is same. Recorded videos are available for all the subjects. Okay. Now click on view offers 53,996. You will say sir huge fees. Okay. Click on the offer, put the code Y432. Again you will get 80% off. See this 53,996 reduces to 10,799, 80% off, and that also validity. Look at this 12 plus 12 months, 24 months validity, and 10,799 for 24 months. If you divide it, it is less than the T expenses which we do on a daily basis in our banks. Okay, so go for it immediately. Why am I stressing on these batches and Mahapacks? Because the portion is new. Everyone remember, retail banking, in fact both JAIIB and CIIB, the portions have changed now. Okay, the portions have changed, and importantly, if you check these portions, okay, let me show. Say this 4 compulsory subjects: Indian economy and Indian financial system, principles and practices of banking, accounting and financial management for bankers, and retail banking and wealth management. All are compulsory. Okay, and these 2 are new ones, quite tougher, 1 and 2. Retail banking, these are new ones. Earlier PPB and accounting you added earlier also. Negative marking has been removed, so that's a good sign for you. Okay, so join the batches ASAP, use the discount offer. Okay, I'll take a leave.